afternoon, students of Gyan Niketan. Today I am Lalit Kumar Pathak explain you about the art examination for the class 1 to 8. In this video I am going to explain you how you can join the class with the class code that we have given to you, and then after how you can view the questions and how you can upload the questions on your classroom. So first of all, we have sent you two classroom code for each class, especially for class 6, 5, 7 and 8, and you have to join your class with any of the code which is given. Okay, so how you can join the class? So for that you have to install Google Classroom in your mobile or in your laptop, and then this classroom icon will be displayed. You have to click here, and then after you have to click on plus symbol. Plus symbol is used to has two options: create a class and join a class. So you have to join the class, you have to click on join option, and then you have to type the classroom code, and after typing the classroom code click on join option. You will be join the class. If you are not able to join the class, then you have to click another code which I have provided you in the classroom code today around 12 o'clock, 12 to 1 o'clock. Okay, and again type the class and join your class. If you have joined the class, then how you can view the questions? For this purpose, first of all you have to click on your classroom, such as I am going to click on class 8, and then after you have to click on classwork option which is given below. Click here, and then you can view the first term examination. You have to click on these icons, and then after you have to click on a screenshot option. Then questions will be uploaded on your screen and you can view the questions, and then after you have to draw the diagram in A4 size paper. And first of all you have to write your name, admission number, class section, your roll number and your subject and your school name. Understand? And what is the format of your pattern of your question answer sheet is like this one, like here you have to type the name of your class and everything, and in this portion you have to draw the image, and then after drawing the image you have to send your drawing in your Google Classroom. And how you can send your drawing in Google Classroom? Again you have to click on classroom, and then just select your class and class 8 all, and you can see share with your class. Click here, and then you have to two options. One is link, that is used to attach your file, and second one, arrow key, is used to send your work. Then after you have to type your name, admission number, class name, what you have, and then after click on this link and click on file option. Okay, you can also take a photograph. You can directly send your drawing by taking photographs like this one. Take photographs, and I am going to take these photographs. Okay, and after clicking on OK button, you have to just you have to wait for uploading your images, and then after click on this send option. After uploading it, just wait. Okay, then after you have to click on this upload option. Understand? Select your files. Select your files. Stop.